Good day, everyone. Today we're going to show you some Instabond techniques. This great new product. Now let me tell you a little bit about this. This product here, again, what really sets this apart from everything else besides how strong it is that it hardens when you need it. Now if I can just demonstrate that, I'll just put a thin bead over here and I'll take the accelerator. Now you can leave that there and it won't harden for 10-15 minutes. But here, if I take the accelerator, once that is applied, as soon as it dries, that is solidified. Okay, so now you can actually cut that right off. You can see for yourself that has become, a hard substance. Now that is what this is all about. This is the instant bonding feature. New to the industry, so that way you can truly have a 1-second bond. Now just to show you some demonstrations here, this is of course applicable to just about everything, to arts and crafts, automotive, woodworking, steel, glass, and just about every industry you can think of. It is truly a serviceman and handyman's dream. Okay? Now you take anything from PVC pipe to, let's say you want to put a couple of these together, there you go, and you take the accelerator, a quick spray, and just give it a moment, a little bit more. There you have it. So everything from PVC to glass, great for arts and crafts. Check this out. Okay, a little bit here, and of course the accelerator on the other end. Okay, and you just do one of these. Oops. Okay, and then again a little bit more on top of here. You imagine the possibilities. Just imagine the possibilities. Of course, the other end. We'll apply the accelerator. Okay, let me see. Let's do a little bit more. Okay, again, apply the accelerator. And we'll do one on the top. You know what, let's do it this way. Give it a real test. Okay, and we'll just do that. We'll hold it for a second until it hardens. Oops. And there you have it. There it is. As you can see, the possibilities are endless. Everything from, again, glass, stone, and woodworking, to show you a demonstration here, how great this was. Originally, this is what it was designed for, but it has come across to many other applications. Now, depending on how fast you want it to react and the situation you're in, if I really want this to adhere as fast as possible, I would of course do the other end, spray on the other end, and put them together. This gives you about maybe a second or two just to find the right join. And what you do, you give it a quick spray on the outside. Now these are techniques, everybody has their own, and variations. And there you go. That will not come apart. Especially for woodworking, you will not get an opening in that joint. You can pull all you want, that is not coming apart. This is truly a carpenter's dream. The wood will pull before that comes apart. Alright, let's move on. Let's show an application here with some wood. Let's say this is melamine, and again, spray it on this side, place it on this one, just hold it for a second, apply some more accelerator on either end, and again, wait for it to for a second to harden, and there you have it. Alright, great for glass. Here, I just broke some glass here, and apply just a very little bit. course, accelerator to the other side. Again, if we didn't need to harden instantly, you wouldn't apply the accelerator on either end, okay? And you can actually see it right there. You can see it bond. Okay, it does a great job on glass. It's also clear, of course. There you have it, instantly. Okay? Now, this is a truly dream product for polyurethane. Now, polyurethane, of course, is a substance that's hard to stick with even wood glues and or nails, but this is a dream for polyurethane. Absolute dream. There's nothing better than this. Absolutely. Again, spray the other side, and together they go. There you have it. There's nothing like this, especially for polyurethane. You polyurethane guys, this is your answer. Nothing does that. Nothing. You can yank on it, pull on it. Nothing. This is your product. So let's move on to a shelf. This could be on your shower door, a shower wall, a bead on one side, and of course accelerator on the other. Now watch this. This is quite impressive. Just hold it there. Okay. This is a piece of granite, by the way. Could be wood, stone, ceramics. Great. I mean, look at that. Look at that. Here you go. I challenge anything out there to do this. Okay? Now, this has only been here for what, 5-6 seconds? How about that? That there's about 20 pounds. So if you're worried about soap or sponges holding on there, do not concern yourself. Okay? Again, Instabond is an incredible product, and you develop your own techniques of how to use it. Everything, again, from wood, picture frames, MDF, melamine, arts and crafts, PVC, glass, great for mitering, great, absolute, incredible way to miter. No nails. Polyurethane, a dream product. Weather stripping, and so on. You'll find thousands of uses. Absolutely thousands of uses. All right? Again, thank you very much, and we're signing off. We're in the shop now, and we're going to demonstrate some more Instabond techniques, such as an installation of a thermostat on the wall. There we go. Of course, screws, don't need those. And just apply a little bit on the outside here, a little bit too much. And we'll spray where it's got to go. And I don't want to miss it, so it's right there. We'll just take it, and depending on how fast you want it to set, give it a quick spray. You're done. There you go. No screws, no nails, no looking for drills, drill bits. It works. We'll try to apply some pressure on here, and we will, of course, spray to the side with the accelerator, and we'll fasten this fastener over here, and we'll let it dry for a moment. Give it some more spray in the accelerator. Now this is a cinder block, weighs approximately 25 pounds, so this should be ready to lift. Again, it's only been on here for moments, but as you can see, the proof is in the pudding here. Try that with anything else that you can find. I challenge you. Okay, so you can imagine the applications. You can take it from there. Let's apply something against the wall here. Something such as this hook here. Apply over here. Let's place some of the Eastabond adhesive from one side. Of course, we will do the other side. And right there, hold it for a moment. And apply some more on top. And there we go. Now there you go. Instantly. Try that with something else. Now, let's see some real strength here. Nothing. You needed something in a hurry. We're going to apply. Okay? The adhesive on one side. We will apply the accelerator on the other. Generous amount. And we're going to quickly put them together. And I'm just going to clamp this for a second. Okay. And I'm going to make sure the accelerator is applied liberally. Now again, you can develop your own techniques, your own situations. Let this dry for a moment. This could be up against the wall, could be against bricks, stones. You can apply silicone in the middle here. You can nail it after, but as you can see, this is, try doing that with anything else. Okay? Let's see some real power here now. Here. Okay, doctor. Go ahead. This is slow. Okay. As you can see, try that with anything else. I doubt it. Now these are a few demonstrations of some holding power. Again, you can affix this to a wall, to a shelf. All right. Let's also show you what we can do here with some leather. Again, apply a thin bead of the adhesive, and on the opposite side, you will apply a liberal amount of accelerator, and we'll just flip it over, and we'll just let that hold for a little bit. Again, these are techniques that you need to work with and develop your own for your own situations, and this is ready to go. There's nothing that you could use to give you this instant of a hold. You can pull and pull and pull. Here, let's try this. Try some real power here, guys. Try this. Go around this 30-pound block. You'll see for yourself. There's the proof. Again, everything from fabrics to leathers, instant